Birthday is a blessing, kaya naman busog-lusog na naman ang person. Hello mga kaibanag, kuira tagwagwarapo nagwagwarapan na makakarasta yung muka na. O ayan, for today's video guys ay pupunta tayo maki-birthday. At ayan nga, nakaabang na naman ang aking mga kaamiga. Ayan, nauna na naman pala ang aking pinsan na si Claire. Ayan, din ang buntis na isa. Si Edna at si Annalyn, nandyan din si Katkat. So ayan guys, o tingnan nyo naman, nahiya na naman ang person. Dito naman guys ay sumayaw-sayaw naman si Auntie Rose. Yan po si Auntie Rose na may birthday, 70th birthday niya.
You can tell me to my face that you have lied, you be untrue. So today, the silence you. Did you know they say forever I'll be true? Why did you wait? Why did you leave a single yellow
Happy birthday na happy birthday. Happy
birthday, happy birthday.
Ako karot kinanin mo, kana naman madami.
Okay. Happy 70th birthday kay Lola, and I hope that she'll have a great life, and sana humaba pa yung buhay niya.
Yes, amen.
And yun lang, and I hope na lagi kang healthy, and yun.
Alright, next. Lagi 1,000.
Happy birthday. Sana doon na.
Thank you,
Say hi.
One, two, three.
So this time ay kainan na, kaya naman kain na tayo. At syempre shout out na rin kay Auntie Rose, happy birthday, God bless you always and your family. Thank you for watching.